Hello everyone, welcome to KNO Academy YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to discuss a very important topic, ranking. If you look into your RRB previous year question paper, some of the questions are asked about ranking. Okay, so now let us know what is ranking. Ranking mainly deals with the problems that are related to the arrangement of persons or things either in ascending or descending order based on height, weight, rank, position, etc. Okay, so this is all about ranking. Now let us have a look on the formulae. So there are mainly four formulas comes under ranking. So the first formula is to calculate position from the right side. That is, if left side position is given, when they ask to calculate right side position, you need to know this formula. That is, right side position is equal to total objects minus left side position plus 1. That is, if this is a rank, so this is left and this is right. If left side position is given, if they ask to calculate right side position, here is the formula. Right side position is equal to total objects between left and right minus left side position value plus 1. Okay. And next is to calculate position from the left side. That is, if right side position is given. It is similar to the previous formula. The only difference is instead of right side, you need to write left side. Okay. So left side position is equal to total objects minus right side position plus. So this gives the right side position formula. And the third formula is to calculate number of objects between two positions if their position is given. That means, so this is the rank. So this is left and this is right. If left position is given, right position given, and if they ask to calculate number of objects between left and right, here is the formula. That is, number of objects is equal to x minus y minus 1. Okay. X minus y is nothing but left side minus right side minus 1. Okay. So here you need to subtract greater value and lesser value. That is, smaller value from greater value. Okay. And the last formula is to calculate the total objects when number of objects between two positions is given. That is, total objects is equal to left side position plus right side position plus number of objects between the two positions. In this case, if they ask to calculate the total number of objects between left and right, only when the number of objects is given between left and right. Okay. So in this case, if they ask to calculate the total objects, means here is the formula. Left side position, this one. Right side position and this one. And the number of objects between two positions. So here, if number of objects is also given, means if they ask to calculate the total number, here is the formula. Okay. This is the formula. So now let us move on to the numerical problems. So now the numerical problems that I am going to solve all are asked in your RRB previous year question paper only. Understood? So now let us see the first question, that is, John ranks 21st in the class of 51. What is his rank from the last? And the options are option A 31, option B 30, option C 70, and option D 21. So let us write the data in a diagrammatic form. So there are total how many students? 51. So total is equal to 51. And John ranked 21st in the class. So this is left and this is right. So here left side the position of John is 21st. Okay. And what is his rank from the last? From the last means right side. So they are asking to calculate the John rank from the last. Okay, that is from the right. So we know the formula, right? That is right side position is equal to, I am writing in a short form for right side position as RSP, okay, is equal to total minus left side position plus 1, okay. So total is how much? 51 minus left side position is 21 plus 1. So 51 plus 1 is 52 minus 21. So 52 minus 21 is 31. So John right side position is 31. So answer A 31 is the correct answer. So next question. There are 40 girls on a row. Ramya is 14 from the right end of the row. What is her position from the left end of the row? And the options are 27, 26, 25 and 24. So left, right. So total is given, right? Total 40 girls, right? So Ramya is 14th from the right. So right side position is given, that is 14th. So here we need to calculate her position from the left side, correct? So what is the formula to calculate left side position? Left side position is equal to total minus right side position plus 1, okay? So total is 40 minus right side position is 14 plus 1. So 40 plus 1 is 41 minus 14. So 41 minus 14 is 3, correct? So 11 minus 4 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 27. So Ramya's right, what is her position from the left end of the row? 27th position from the left end of the row. That is option A is the correct answer. Next question. A class of boys stands in a single line. One boy is 19th in order from both the ends. How many boys are there in the class? And the options are 27, 37, 38, 39. So here is the data. So L, R. What is the data here? One boy is 19th in order from both the ends. Both the ends means left side position is equal to right side position is equal to 19 only, okay. So in between is the position, that is 19th position, understood? So one boy is 19th position from both the ends, that means LSP is equal to RSP, okay. So now we have the formula, right? You can use to calculate the total number of boys in the class. You can use either LSP formula or RSP formula, that is right side position or left side position. So I am using left side position. So left side position is equal to total minus right side position plus 1. Here what do we want? The total, right? So keep the total here only, means right hand side. Send RSP and plus 1 towards left hand side. That becomes what? LSP minus becomes plus RSP, that is right side position, plus 1 becomes minus 1 is equal to total. Okay, from this formula, we can deduce the total formula, that is total is equal to left side position plus right side position minus. Okay. So what is left side position? Both are equal, right? Because in the question only they said that one boy is 19 in order from both the ends. Okay. So left side position is 19 plus right side position is again 19 minus 1 is equal to total. So 19 plus 19 is 38 minus 1 is equal to total. So 38 minus 1 is 37. So total 37 boys are there in the class. So option B is the correct answer. Next problem. If you are 13th position on either side of a line, how many people are standing in that line? It is similar to the previous problem, okay? So options are 26, 25, 21, 13. So left, right. So here 13th position on either side of a line means 13 comes in the middle. So from this we can say LSP is equal to RSP is equal to 13. Okay. And we have the total formula, right? What is that? Left side position minus, plus right side position minus 1. This is the formula, right? In the previous problem only we have deduced the total formula, that is LSP plus RSP minus 1. So left side position is 13, right? So 13 plus right side position is also 13 minus 1. So 13 plus 13 is 26 minus 1. So 26 minus 1 is 25. So there are 25 people are standing in that line. So option B is the correct answer. Next problem. Varun is 6th from the left hand and Vinod is 10th from the right hand in a row of boys. If there are 8 boys between Varun and Vinod, how many boys are there in the row? And the options are 23, 24, 25, 26. So now let us write the data left, right. So Varun is 6th from the left. So 6th from the left. Who? Varun. Okay. And we know this 10th from the right. So we know this 10th from the right hand in a row of boys. If there are 8 boys between Varun and Vinod. So Varun and Vinod, there are 8 boys. Correct? According to the data. So now what is the question? How many boys are there in the row? So to calculate number of boys, that is total number of boys, when number of boys between the two positions are given, that is left and right position. So in this case, we have formula, right? What is that? Total is equal to left side position plus right side position plus what is that? Number of objects between two positions, that is left and right position. So this is the formula. Substitute the values. So left side position is 6 plus right side position is 10 and number of objects means number of persons or boys between Varun and Vinod is how much? 8. Okay. So 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. So there are total 24 boys are there in the row. Option B, 24 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. I hope you are all getting this concept in a easy manner. Okay. So next question. 15 children are standing in a row facing north. Ravi is to the immediate left of Prabha and is 8th from the left hand. Arjun is second from the right hand. Which of the following statement is not true? Okay. So among the 4 options, we need to choose the statement which is not true. Okay. So now let us write the data. So total 15 children are there and they are standing in a row facing north direction. This is north direction, right? So there are 15 children. So T is equal to 15. Okay. So here Ravi is to the immediate left of Prabha and he is 8th from the left end. So Prabha is sitting left side. Let me write. Here is Prabha. Okay. So and Ravi is to the immediate left of Prabha. Immediate left of Prabha means here is left and here is right. Okay. So here is the Ravi position, and who is 8 from the left hand position. So Ravi position is 8 means what is Prabha position? 9, right? Prabha position is 9 and total 15 children are there. Next, what is that? Arjun is second from the right hand. So here is the right hand and here is one person and here is the second. So Arjun is second from the right hand. Okay. Now, which of the following statement is not? This is the rate according to the statement. Now, we need to check each and every statement which is true and which is not true. Okay. Now, let us find out the first statement. What is first statement? Prabha is seventh from the right hand. So, here Prabha's position, that is left position, is given, right? They are not given, we only find out, right? Found out. So what is that? If Ravi is 8th means Prabha is obviously ninth position from the left side. So now the statement is given as Prabha is 7th from the right end. So now let us calculate the Prabha's right side position. Okay, we have formula, right? So right side position is equal to total minus left side position plus 1. So this is equal to total is 15 minus left side position of Prabha is 9 plus 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16 minus 9. This is equal to 7, correct? So Prabha is 7th from the right end. So right side position of Prabha is 7. This is true. Next, option B. There are 4 children between Prabha and Arjun. So Prabha position is, left position is 9. Right position is 7. Arjun right position is 2. So now let us consider to calculate the number of children between Prabha and Arjun. We consider either right side position or left side position of Prabha and Arjun. So Prabha's right side position is calculated, that is 7. Already Arjun right side position is given, that is 2. So let us consider the right side position of Prabha and Arjun to calculate the number of children between Prabha and Arjun. Okay. So second statement. Now let us check. So right side position of Prabha and Arjun. Okay. See, to calculate the number of objects between the two positions, what is the formula? X minus Y minus 1, right? Correct? So Prabha and Arjun. So right side position we are calculating. So Prabha is 9. Arjun says 2. Sorry. Prabha's right side position, not this is left side position. This is wrong. Okay. We are considering right side position of Prabha and Arjun. So right side position of Prabha is 7. That is X value is 7 minus Arjun's right side position is 2. Why I am considering 7 and 2? Because they are asked to calculate the children between Prabha and Arjun. That's why I am taking Prabha and Arjun right side position. You may consider for left side position also, but here again we need to calculate Arjun's left side position because Arjun's left side position is not given. Correct? So consider right side position only. Okay. So bracket minus 1. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So there are 4 children between Prabha and Arjun. Correct? Yes. This statement is also true. Next, third statement. There are 5 children between Ravi and Arjun. So Ravi left side position is given. So now Ravi and Arjun we need to calculate the number of children between Ravi and Arjun. So for this Ravi's left side position is given, right side position is not given. Arjun right side position is given. So now let us calculate Arjun left side position, because in fourth statement Arjun is 13th from the left hand. So for this also we need to calculate for left hand position of the Arjun. So better calculate Arjun's left hand position. Already left hand position of Ravi is given. Okay. Now let us calculate left side position of Arjun. So left side position of Arjun. What is the formula? Total minus RSP plus 1. This is equal to total is how much? 15 minus right side position of Arjun is 2 plus 1. So 15 minus 2 is 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. Okay. So now let us calculate the number of children between Ravi and Arjun by considering left side position. Okay. So left side position of Ravi is how much? 8. And Arjun is 14. So use this formula to calculate the number of children between Ravi and Arjun. X minus 5 minus 1. So already I have told you that. So subtract always smaller number from bigger number. So left side position of Arjun is 14. Left side position of Ravi is 8. So bigger number is 14. Consider this. Okay, first. And smaller number is 8 minus 1. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. What is third statement? There are 5 children between Ravi and Arjun. So 5 children between Ravi and Arjun. So this statement is also true. And what is the last statement? Arjun is 13th from the left hand. Arjun left side position of Arjun is what? 14th, not 13th. Okay. So this statement is not true. So option D is correct answer. Okay. Next question. In a row of boys, Rajesh is 6th from the left and Naresh is 9th from the right. When the two boys interchange their positions, Rajesh becomes 19th from the left. How many boys are there in the row? And the options are 24, 25, 28, 27. So here is the data, left, right. Rajesh is 6th from the left, okay. Rajesh is 6th from the left and Naresh is 9th from the right. So here is Naresh. Naresh is 9th from the right side. When the two boys interchange their positions, if they interchange their positions, so Rajesh becomes 19th from the left. So from the left, Rajesh becomes 19th position from the left. Then how many boys are there in the row? So how many boys means total, right? Total. So total is equal to left side position minus right side position, sorry, plus right side position minus 1. This is the total, right? See here, by the data, we may tell that Rajesh is, after interchanging, Rajesh position is 19th from the left. And anyhow, Rajesh and Naresh, they are interchanged, right? So from the right, Rajesh position become 9th. Okay, from the right. And from the left, Rajesh position become 19th. Okay. So Rajesh position after interchanging, Rajesh position becomes what? So in left, it is 19th. In right, it is 9th only because Naresh is replaced by Rajesh. Okay. So right is it is 9th. Therefore, total. So the question is how many boys are there in the row. So total value is equal to, here we are considering Rajesh position. Okay. Because Rajesh, we know from the data, we know that Rajesh position from the right it is 9, from the and from the left it is 19th. Okay. So left side position is 19 plus right side position is 9 minus 1. So 19 plus 9 is 28 minus 1. So 28 minus 1 is 27. So there are 27 boys in the row. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Read the following information to decide the option. So option A is given what? A is richer than B. Option B, C is richer than A. Option C, D is richer than C. D, option D, E is richest of all. If they sit in the order of richness, who will have the central position? And the options are like this. Option A, option B, B, option C, C, and option D, D. So now let us write a baseline, okay? And according to the statement A is richer than B. So here is the A richer than B. Okay. And second statement, C is richer than A. So C is richer than A. Okay. And from the third statement, D is richer than C. So D is richer than C. Okay. And from the last statement, E is the richest of all. So E is the richest of all. If they sit in the order of richness, already it is in the order only. Okay. Who will have the central position? So who is having the central position here? Yes. The correct answer is option C. C is the central position in this row of richness or order of richness. Okay. So next question. Bharat is taller than Raman, who is shorter than Ashok. Mohan is taller than Shankar, but shorter than Raman. Ashok is shorter than Bharat. Who is the shortest? And the options are Bharat, Ashok, Raman, Shankar. So now let us write the baseline. Bharat is taller than Raman. So Bharat is taller than Raman. Okay. Who is shorter than Ashok? So shorter than Ashok. Okay, Bharat is taller than Raman and Raman is shorter than Ashok. Mohan is taller than Shankar. So Mohan is taller than Shankar, but shorter than Raman. So Mohan is taller than Shankar, but shorter than Raman means Raman is taller than Mohan. Okay. Now let us write little bit longer for Raman and comparing to Mohan. Ashok is shorter than Bharat. Ashok is the Ashok. Shorter than Bharat means Bharat is little longer than Ashok. Okay. Ashok is shorter than Bharat. Okay. For the confirmation, let us read the statement again. Bharat is taller than Raman. Bharat is taller than Raman. Correct. And Raman is shorter than Ashok. Raman is shorter than Ashok. Okay. Mohan is taller than Shankar. Mohan is taller than Shankar. This is true. But shorter than Raman. So here is the Raman. Mohan is shorter than Raman. This is also true. Ashok is shorter than Bharat. Ashok is shorter than Bharat. This is also right. Who is the shortest from the data? Yes. Shankar is the shortest among all. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Sriman is shorter than Neela. Pramila is taller than Sriman. Suresh is taller than Neela but shorter than Hemant. Neela is taller than Pramila. Who will be in the middle if they stand in a row according to the height? And the options are Shriman, Pramila, Neela, Suresh. So here is the baseline. Shriman is shorter than Neela. That means Neela is taller, right? So Neela, Shriman is shorter than Neela means here is the Shriman. Pramila is taller than Shriman. Pramila is taller than Shriman. Suresh is taller than Neela. I'll write here for Suresh. Suresh is taller than Neela but shorter than Hemant. That means this is Hemant. Neela is taller than Pramila. Neela is taller than Pramila. Okay. Who will be in the middle if they stand in a row according to height? C. So let us check again. Shriman is shorter than Neela. Shriman is shorter than Neela. Correct. Pramila is taller than Shriman. Pramila is taller than Shriman. Correct. Suresh is taller than Neela. Suresh is taller than Neela. Correct. But shorter than Hemant. Suresh is shorter than Hemant. Taller than Neela. Correct. Neela is taller than Pramila. Neela is taller than Pramila. Correct. Neela is taller than Pramila. Who will be in the middle if they stand in a row according to the height? So first who will come? Hemant come. After that who will come? Suresh come. And then Neela come. And then Pramila come. So finally Sriman. So who will be in the middle? Yes. Neela is in the middle if they stand in a row according to height. So the correct answer is option C. Neela is the correct answer. So next question. 6 students participated in a 500-meter race. Statement A, Ram finished after Amar and after two other students. Statement B, Amar finished after Samir. Statement C, Firoz finished before Samir. Statement D, Vinod finished before Hari. Who came fifth? And the options are Ram, Amar, Firoz, Vinod. Okay. So there are how many students are participating in a 100-meter race? Total 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this question is also asked in RRB exam in your previous year question paper. Understood? So now I am writing a rank according to the statement. What is first statement? Ram finished after Amar and after two other students. This means that Raman is in fourth place because Amar, so he finished the race after Amar and two others means total three members. So after three members only Ram finished. Okay. So therefore Raman is in fourth place. Sorry, Ram is in fourth place. Understood? So Ram finished after Amar means obviously Amar is in third place only. Okay. Understood? Ram finished after Amar and two others means Ram's place is fourth. So he finished after Amar means Amar is in third place according to the first statement. And we don't know what are the other two students. Understood? And from the second statement, what is that? Amar finished after Samir. So Amar, the third place. So this person Amar finished after Samir means Samir comes second position. Samir. Amar finished after Samir. And from the third statement, Firoz finished before Samir. So Firoz is in first place. So he finished before Samir. Okay. And the last statement, Vinod finished before Hari. So Vinod is in fifth place and Hari is the last place. So Vinod finished after Hari. So who came fifth according to this data? Vinod, right? So Vinod, option D, Vinod is the correct answer. So he is the fifth position in the 15-meter race. And the last question. A goldsmith has 5 golden articles A, B, C, D and E, each having different weight. And statement A weight weighs as much as B. And statement B, statement 2, B weighs 4.5 times as much as C. Statement C weighs half as much as D. Statement 4, D weighs half as much as E. And statement 5, E weighs less than A but more than C. So after studying the above information, answer the following. Which of the following is the heaviest in weight? And options are option A, option B, B, option C, C, and option D, D. So now, according to the statement, let us write the data. So the first statement is A weight twice as much as B. That is, A is equal to twice as much as B. So this is first statement. Second statement, B weighs 4.5 times as much as C. So B weighs 4. See here, and is there na between 4.5. So in place of and you need to write plus. Okay. 4 and means plus here. Okay. And half times as much as C. So this is equal to solve this 4 plus half. 4 plus half becomes what? 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 by 2 is the B value. So then according to the statement 3, C weighs as much as D. Half as much as D. So C is equal to half as much as D. Then fourth statement, D weighs half as much as E. So D weighs half as much as E. Then fifth statement, E weighs less than A but more than C. So E weighs less than A and more than C. So after studying the above information, answer the following. See, by looking at this data, the articles that is A, B, C, D, E, they don't have definite values, right? So they are having a variable with a value that is constant. A is equal to 2B. It doesn't have a definite value. Not only A, all the articles that is A, B, C, D and E, they are all of having the value with some variable that is unknown. Okay, now to calculate For a definite articles, that is A, B, C, D and E, we can take a reference value. Okay, na? So by taking the value E, by some value, by giving us some value for E, we can calculate for other articles like D, C, B, A. Okay. So now I am considering E value as 8. Why? Because why I am considering even number rather odd number means, if you look into the article D, it is equal to half E, means if you take even value for E, it becomes what? 8 by 2, right? So you can easily calculate 8 by 2 is what? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So you can easily deduce the value for D, C, B, A easily. That's why I'm taking E for E as even, not odd. Understood? So now by taking E value as 8, we can calculate for D, C, B, A. Understood? So now, so E value is 8 now. So D, now let us calculate D value. You can consider any value, any even value for E. Understood? So D value is 1 by 2. E is equal to E by 2. This is equal to 8 by 2. This is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So E value is how much? 8. Then by taking E value as 8, D value becomes 4. Now calculate for C. C is equal to 1 by 2 D. This is equal to D by 2. This is equal to D value is now 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So C value is now 2. Then calculate for B. B is equal to how much? 9 by 2 C. So 9 by 2 into C value is how much? 2. 2, 2 cancels. So 9. So B value is how much? 9. Then calculate for A. A is equal to 2B. That is equal to 2 into B value is 9. So 9 twos are 18. So now A value is 18. So by looking at this data, we can calculate for this question, right? Which of the following is the heaviest in weight? So by this data, A is equal to 18, which is the heaviest in weight. So the option A is the correct answer. So I hope you all like this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. So we'll meet in the next class. Until then, thank you.